What's happening? This tool is cool with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm going to be bringing you another tool that is essential in a shop, especially if you're going to be doing any sort of engine rebuild, and that is the engine stand. Let's go over the features that this one has. Okay, now with every engine stand, what you're gonna see is, get this thing turned around here. Right here, these are adjustable. What you would do is come in here and loosen these up. Use a wrench. I'm just quickly using pliers. My washer's stuck inside of that one. We'll loosen this one up. Or not. So these move around to the different bolt patterns that would be where your transmission mounts. Somewhere on your engine block, these would adjust to whatever you need it to, and you can line up your bolt holes this way. I actually bought this engine stand from an airplane mechanic, and I bought it because it was cheap. I got it for $40. It was pretty sturdy. So some of them at the end right here, they have just one wheel. I like that this one tees off and has two separate wheels. So say you're working on your engine and you want to rotate to take a piston out or put a piston in. Once you've tightened down your crankshaft, there is a bolt on this side. So once you've got your engine on and you're working on it and you've got these adjusted to where you need them, you got this locking bolt right here. I take a pair of pliers and tighten it down and it won't move. It locks in. You loosen it up and then you can spin the block all the way around. And then you can work on whatever side you need to work on. Spin it back around, get the piston in, put the piston in, spin it around to the bottom of the block, put your cap on your rod, swing it around, do the other set of pistons. Okay, now that's the engine stand. Like I said, I got this one through Facebook actually for $40. Very inexpensive. Normally they can run anywhere from $149 to even up into $1,000 range depending on what you get, its weight limit, and the quality that it's built. But this one, like I said, was used for building engines for airplanes, which are normally pretty light, but this one, they had some bigger airplanes in their hanger, so I knew this one could hold some weight. It's got the metal cast iron wheels, so it's not the plastic ones right off the bat. That lets you know if it's a quality one or not. So very well built. This thing is probably 1/8 inch thick steel, maybe even a little thicker. These are fully adjustable. Right now my bolts are tight and I didn't loosen them, but you can adjust them to anything you need. You get the bolts and the threads. Now one thing you want to do is make sure that you get the thread pattern that goes into your engine block. You don't want to, that's kind of critical. So when you put these through bolts in, same thread, not too deep, but bottomed out inside of that block to make sure it's safe. I like the ones, like I said, this one has two wheels on each side. Some of them have a single wheel in the front. To me, that just feels a little more unstable. Not really fond of that type. Other than this, it's got the normal bar in the back and the normal lock to rotate the motor around while you're disassembling or building. It's a great tool, very solid. Go ahead and look for a used one. Look for one, Harbor Freight, wherever you think you can find one. There's many out there. You can look on Amazon, eBay, your local Craigslist. Like I said, they're everywhere. Someone's selling one. Now along with this, you're gonna have to get an engine hoist. We'll go over that one in another episode. I thank you for watching. This is Life in a Mustang with This Tool is Cool. I'm Dustin, and I like to bring you tools that you can use in or around your shop or on your car. So stay tuned for many more episodes, and I'll catch you later. Peace.